In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for sales teams. Let's start by opening Zoho CRM and signing in with the account that has permission to make changes. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the top navigation and the modules on the left. This quick scan helps you understand where everything lives before you start configuring. Before you click around, pause to define your sales process. Clarify how a lead becomes a qualified opportunity and what stages a deal should pass through from initial contact to closed won. Write down the names of those stages and the handoffs between marketing, sales development, and account executives. Having this blueprint will make every configuration choice more consistent. With your process in hand, customize the core modules, leads, contacts, and deals so they match your terminology and data needs. In leads, add or rename fields to capture the details your team actually uses, like lead source, industry, or qualification criteria. In contacts, ensure fields align with how you store person-level information, and in deals, tailor your pipeline stages to mirror your sales steps. Keep field labels clear and required fields minimal. This keeps reps moving quickly while still collecting reliable data. Save your changes and preview record layouts to confirm they're easy to scan. If you're moving from another system or spreadsheets, import your data next. Clean it first by standardizing formats and removing duplicates. During import, carefully map your columns to the correct fields and set ownership rules so records land with the right people. Use a unique identifier such as email to help prevent duplicates. After the import, spot check a few records to make sure everything mapped correctly. Now set up user roles and permissions. Create a simple logical hierarchy so managers can see their team's records while individual reps only see what they need. Assign profiles that control what users can view, create, edit, or delete. Clear access rules protect your data and reduce accidental changes. Automate key workflows to save time and enforce best practices. Configure lead assignment rules based on territory, product interest, or round-robin logic. Add follow-up automations that create tasks, set reminders, or send internal alerts when a lead is untouched or a deal is stuck. Connect your email so messages automatically log to the right records, and verify that syncing works as expected. Finally, integrate the tools your team already uses, like LinkedIn or Microsoft Teams, to simplify outreach and collaboration. With these foundations in place, your sales team can work faster, stay organized, and focus on closing more deals.